Hi, my name is Nate Gilbert. I'm an attorney, and I want to talk to you briefly today about liability waivers. If you're in the recreational industry, you're very familiar with liability waivers, or if you've participated in an activity, you might have signed one before. But first, what is a liability waiver? A waiver of liability in Colorado is a document that an individual signs that informs them of the activities that they're going to be participating in and warns them accurately of the dangers and injuries that can arise during that activity. Now, a waiver cannot just be general language. So don't go to Google, download the very first one-page document you find, and think that that applies specifically to your business. Those liability waivers must be specifically tailored and inform the participants of the dangers that they're going to be facing. If that liability waiver doesn't have any information about what class of rapids they're going to be going down, if you're a whitewater rafting guide, or what kind of mountainous terrain they'll be encountering if you're a hunting outfitter, that liability waiver doesn't really inform them, and it's not going to be valid. Now, whatever liability waiver you use, it absolutely must use clear and unambiguous language. It can't be filled with a bunch of terms that an individual would not understand if they weren't a lawyer or an expert in your field. So whenever you have a liability waiver, make sure that not only the participants can understand it, but that you yourself understand it as the business owner, or that whoever is using these liability waivers and having your guests sign them understands, so they can answer questions about that document. Now, if you use a liability waiver, you're going to have a lot of great protection added to your business, but as with anything, there are no absolute guarantees. But if you sit down with an attorney and go over exactly the dangers and things that you want to inform your guests and participants and clients about when they're participating in an activity that you offer, that's going to add a great level of security and protection to your business.